A lot going on with Boeing right now. Just give me a general sense. How do you see the company and the stock right now, and what's the future of these MAX jets?
So, as you mentioned, the stock has really taken a downward hit since January 5th. It's lost about $22 billion in market cap since then. So the market is not just saying, listen, 24 is a one-time issue with maybe some MAX 9s not being delivered. It's not simply taking a haircut to our 24 free cash flow number of about $5 billion, but it's really discounting long-term free cash flow of Boeing. So it's saying that this company could earn maybe $6 to $8 billion of free cash flow instead of 10 to 15 like the street thinks, because it's permanently impairing MAX production and deliveries.
So a very significant impact. I want to look ahead. The CEO of Boeing, Dave Calhoun, he's going to be coming to D.C. to meet with two pretty influential senators on some key committees. What are you expecting to come out of that, and how do you think that impacts the stock price?
I don't know if it'll impact the financials or the stock price, but, I think Boeing has shown that it has to work with the FAA, and we don't know what the result of the Alaska flight will be. It seems like everything's pointing to manufacturing process issues with more oversight needed, more regulation needed. So I think that's what these meetings today and tomorrow will really enforce about how much more oversight can we put into the system. I mean, there is oversight. Boeing inspects these planes. Then the FAA does. Then the carriers, too, that take these planes, because they're quite expensive pieces of equipment. So how much more oversight can we do? What else can Boeing fix to fix the processes? And I don't think this is a design issue. It seems like it's more of a process issue.
I think just the blowout itself was very shocking. We've heard from a number of CEOs. We're going to show the audience some of their comments right now. The CEOs voicing their, frustration, their disappointment, flat out their anger. If the key customers are saying things like this, what does it mean about just the future of Boeing going forward? And then they also have, a rising competitor in Airbus. What does it mean about the competition landscape going forward?
So many questions there. So
yeah, a lot.
What does it really mean? I mean, UAL is such a large customer. It's 15% of the MAX 10 order book. And that's really what Scott Kirby was frustrated with yesterday. Because what's United next? It's their investor day plan that they laid out in 2021. And they have another investor day coming up in 2 months. And basically, this plan says they're going to grow 4 to 6% top line. How are they going to do that? They're going to do that through upgauging their fleet with 2 to 3% upgauging. And that's because they're getting larger aircraft. The MAX 10 seats about 10% more passengers than the MAX 8, and that's why it's so important to them. So they're really frustrated. Delta's another 11% of the order book, and Alaska's another 5%. So you don't want these three on your bad side, right? So Boeing has to get the MAX 10 certified. Even though this has nothing to do with the MAX 10, it's the MAX 9. It's only 171 aircraft. The FAA has to certify the MAX 10, and there could be delayed scrutiny. So Boeing has to really work on their relationship and their reputation to fix that.
Yeah, I would say so. By the way, we're showing the audience just a second ago the Airbus chart. It just goes straight up in a line. So I threw a couple questions at you, Sheila. I'm going to ask you this other one again. Airbus, is this a big opportunity for Airbus? Do you see Airbus taking market share after these disruptions?
I have. It's a global duopoly. We used to think of it as 50-50. And since 2019, narrow body share for Boeing has fallen to 40%, with Airbus taking 60%. Now, we're manufacturing about 1,500 narrow body aircraft per year by next year. Airbus probably can't do more than 75 a month if they even get there, because they have their own issues with their supply chain and quality there. So we don't see share going further one way because the supply chain is so strained. You have these suppliers, you can't really swap them out. So it's probably going to end up at 60-40. But what it means for Boeing, and this is what investors are discounting with the market cap falling, is what does pricing look like for Boeing for these aircraft? It was impaired. That's our view. What we think over the last few years, is it going to continue to be impaired?